An important thing is to prioritize and then to multi-bid if you're going with certain improvements. I'm going to give you the top paybacks, and that is cleaning and decluttering has an 872% return on investment. So that's the very first thing to do is to clean, sort, declutter, organize, and have all horizontal surfaces clear and maintain those clean lines and try to showcase the architecture of the home. The second thing that's a very high payback is staging. That's why our team stages our homes. So we may be in even if it's an occupied home, we may take the furnishings and rearrange them to showcase the fireplace, the built-ins, to center within the space so that everything is very symmetric, balanced. There's a focal point, and the room will really shine. So we have two, we call them our she sheds, but they are storage units. And we have two of those packed with our home accents, our decor, our artwork, rugs, greenery, adorable French potted lemon trees, pillows, bedding, all kinds of things that we're able to add into a space so that it will go from being, let's say, positioned towards just one part of the market, maybe an older buyer that has the same exact taste. But we're able to open up the spectrum of buyers by adding current on-trend staging that will make the house really sing and speak to a larger group of buyers, creating more showings, more offers, competitive bids, and more money to the family. So staging has a 586% return, and painting the interior is a 250% return. I will tell you a trick. We often have luck washing the walls and using magic eraser if the walls are in pretty good shape. It's amazing, but we have made walls that the owners thought for a fact needed to be repainted, and we freshened them that way, and it was so inexpensive compared to paying a painter. So over improving a dated house, if you don't have an expert to rely on to really know what buyers will pay for and what they won't pay for, then you're going to be focusing on updates that you see on HGTV